Hi there, this is the last video in the 6-part series which I've been sharing on how to weave your own market basket. The video clips shared in this series are from a full-length video course I have on my website, textileindy.com. You can find the link in the description below if you want to check that out and get all the course materials. Today I want to share some tips on how to seal your basket, as well as a few other things that I like to do on my completed baskets before I consider them absolutely finished. So let's check out those things now. So this is your finished basket. When you're complete, you can dye it or stain it to protect the reed. I like the natural color, so I typically dye it with, or stain it rather, with a clear finish. The clear finish protects the basket from mold and from weathering. I have a post linked in the class notes about mold on your baskets and how to avoid that and what kind of sealers to use to avoid that. You wouldn't want this beautiful basket to get moldy or get ruined by weathering. So be sure to take care of it and follow up with the staining. There's information about stains and sealers in the class notes and more on my website, Textile Indy, if you're interested in pursuing that. The last step I like to do at this stage is to sign the bottom. That's a cool thing to do, to sign and date the basket so that you can see in the future as you grow your basket making skills what you've done in the past and where you get to. It's also great for if you give it as a gift or to pass on to future generations that your name is on it, it's your basket, you are the artist. It's a cool heirloom piece. To sign your basket, I would use a Sharpie or a micron pen. These are waterproof. Sign and date, I use the micron, by carefully writing in your name. You might have to go over it a few times to get it to work in the texture of the basket. There's my name, and next to it I'll put the date. So there's my signed basket. Check out the class notes for more information about the staining and dyeing and sealing and how to take care of your basket from this point on. Good job, you made it through, you did it. Thanks for watching. Check out the description below for all the links for all the different videos in this series. The first video, we went over the materials and the tools you'll need to create this basket, as well as how to prepare them. The second video covers how to create the base of your basket and twine that base. The third video covers how to build the walls of your basket, how to weave the walls, and basic weaving techniques. The next video covers preparing the rim of your basket, so cutting and tucking and then adding the rim to your basket. And the last video was how to lash the rim. And of course, in this video, we cover the final steps in creating your own market basket. Be sure to subscribe below to support my channel and get more basket weaving, natural dyeing, spinning, and other fiber art videos. And thanks for watching.